Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to solve can't invite friends on Mobile Legends problem with some simple and effective steps. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Mobile Legends app. Make sure you're properly signed into your account so everything runs smoothly. Step 2. Next, once you're in the main menu, look for the settings icon. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. From the settings menu, scroll through the options until you find something labeled Network. Tap on it, and inside, you'll see the Network Test option. Go ahead and tap that as well. Step 4. Now, within that same section, look for the Clear Cache option. Tap on it, then hit the Clean button. A prompt will appear. Just confirm by tapping the OK button. Step 5. Once that's done, completely close the Mobile Legends app. Don't just minimize it, fully close it. Then, reopen the app again. If the issue isn't fixed yet, don't worry, there's more we can do. Step 6. Now go back to your phone's home screen. Tap and hold the Mobile Legends app icon until a small menu pops up. From there, choose the App Info option. Step 7. Inside the App Info section, scroll down until you see the Storage option. Tap on it to see more details about the app's storage usage. Step 8. Here you'll find two options, one for clearing cache and another for clear data. Tap both options one by one. This will remove old, corrupted files that might be causing the invite issue. Finally, return to your home screen and launch the Mobile Legends app once again. Try inviting your friends now. It should be working without any problem. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.